Speak English with Teacher Fair presents Idioms featuring animals. In this series, bird.
What is an idiom? An idiom is a group of words whose meaning is different from the meanings of the individual words. It is a fixed expression with non-literal meaning which is used to give special emphasis to an idea or sentiment typically accomplished by the user's conscious deviation from the strict literal sense of a word or from the more commonly used form of word order or sentence construction.
Here's a sample idiom. A bird's eye view. It means a view of something from a high position looking down. Here's a sample sentence. From the plane, we had a bird's eye view of Manhattan. From the plane, we had a bird's eye view of Manhattan. It means that aboard a plane, the speaker has a view of Manhattan from a high position looking down. Now here's a saying. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This saying means that it is better to keep something that you already have than to risk losing it by trying to get much more. Here's another saying. Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. This saying means that people of the same sort are found together. Here's another one. The early bird catches the worm. The early bird catches the worm. This saying means that the person who takes the opportunity to do something before other people will have an advantage over them.
Learn more idioms here at Speak English with Teacher Fe and spice up your language. Thank you for watching.